I don't even moonwalk. I don't believe in moving.
So today we're gonna be doing a hilarious singing with noise challenge. You see, before we continue, I have a very terrible voice. I'm a very terrible singer. Actually, I can dance, but with singing, hell no. So today, in order to make our sessions very interesting, today's gonna be a hilarious singing with noise in the background. So here's my earpiece, my phone is here. So we started. I'm gonna be singing two songs. That is Justin Bieber Love Yourself, and one gospel song that is Made the Way by Coda. So without wasting my time, let's head on to it. Okay, so I think I'm ready now. Let's go. Parade. I know the clouds you get in using my name. You think you broke my heart, oh girl, for goodness sake. You think I'm crying on my own, well I ain't. And I didn't want to write a song, and I thinking I still care or don't, but you still hit my phone up, and baby I'm moving on. And I think it should be something I don't wanna hold back. Baby, you should know that my mama don't like everyone, and I never lied to admit that I was wrong. I've been so caught up in myself, didn't see what's going on, and now I know I'm better slipping on my own. Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. Not so holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. Okay, so I'm done here. I don't know how terrible, I know how terrible that was. Now, so you see, if you think you can do this is like a challenge I'm throwing to all of you, a hilarious singing with noise in the background. So let's move into the next one. Hopefully I think I did well. Probably I might have done better than most of you guys. So let's move on to the next track, and of course the next track is Made Away by Coda featuring Irama. That is the cover they did. Yeah, not the actual one, the Ghanaian one. So that's a gospel, so if you know how to sing, just join me with the hilarious singing at the back. Hilarious singing with noise. I can't hear anything though, so I think most of you would want to hear the. So that's the beats I'm putting in the earpiece so that most of you know it's true. Nothing here, knowing how to get through this phase, nothing on to fit in my way. Nothing can catch me by surprise. You've got this in now. You're walking us now. She says, now just lose us if we can't win. Oh my god, I just started recording a chorus. And everything you supply, you got this in control. You made a way when a bus went against the wall, and it looks as if it was over. You made a way. Now we're standing here only because you made a way. My Jesus, you made a way. So now we're here, looking back from where we come from. Those of you and nothing we've done. Seas of love for mercy you've shown, but your grace was strong enough to lift us. Alright, so many mistakes in there. So that was it, the hilarious singing with noise in the background. Oh my god, I don't really know how this video is gonna come out, but I'm just hoping that you guys would enjoy.